Badonkadonks. Boy. Today, Typewriter Series number 421. And first, did you know that I sell signed prints of all of these? They're up on my shop, chasersofthelight.com/shop. And I sign them and I ship them all over the world. And this one gets purchased a lot. It's so popular on this. Here's your wee paper. It looks like this. There's some perforations on the bottom. Once again, Debrat did not invent those. Stop telling me that she did. Here's your poem. I would love to say that you make me weak in the knees, but to be quite upfront and completely truthful, you make my body forget it has knees at all. I love you a lot. Quarters and prints. See you later.